Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix auto brightness on iPhone while playing games. If your iPhone's auto brightness feature is causing issues while playing games, such as dimming or brightening unexpectedly, it can affect your gaming experience. Here's how you can troubleshoot and fix auto brightness problems on your iPhone. First method, turn off auto brightness. The most direct way to prevent auto brightness from interfering with your games is to turn it off. Just open Settings, go to Accessibility, Display and Text Size, scroll down, and toggle auto brightness to off. This will keep your screen brightness fixed during gameplay, preventing any sudden adjustments. Next method, manually adjust brightness. After turning off auto brightness, you can manually control the brightness level. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center and adjust the brightness ladder to your preferred level. Next method, check night shift and true tone settings. Night shift and true tone can also change your display brightness and color temperature. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness. Ensure night shift is turned off if it's affecting your display during nighttime gaming. You can also toggle off True Tone if the display is adjusting colors based on ambient lighting. Another method, turn off Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode may reduce screen brightness to conserve battery. Go to Settings, Battery, and make sure Low Power Mode is off while playing games. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.